welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most versatile and effective tools in technical analysis. The envelope's EMA indicator. If you're looking to improve your trading strategy by identifying potential buy and sell zones, this is the video for you. Let's break it all down. Go to the indicator section and select the envelope's EMA periods and deviation. This video is divided in 3 parts. Number 1. What is the envelope's EMA indicator? Number 2. Purpose of envelope's EMA. Number 3. How to use the indicator. Number 1. What is the envelope's EMA indicator? The envelope's EMA, Exponential Moving Average, indicator is a trend-following tool that consists of 2 lines placed above and below an EMA. These lines form a channel or envelope around price movements. EMA, Exponential Moving Average. A moving average that gives more weight to recent price data, making it more responsive to current price trends. Envelopes, lines drawn at a fixed percentage distance above and below the EMA, creating a dynamic range. Number 2. Purpose of the envelope's EMA. Identify overbought and oversold levels. Prices moving near the upper or lower band suggest overbought or oversold conditions. Trend confirmation. Helps confirm the strength and direction of trends. Support and resistance zones. The bands often act as dynamic support and resistance levels. Breakout signals. A price move outside the envelope may signal a potential breakout. Number 3. How to use the indicator. Trend trading. When the price is trending upward and stays near the upper band, it suggests a strong uptrend. Consider buying on pullbacks. Conversely, in a strong downtrend, the price will hover near the lower band. Look for selling opportunities. Reversal trading. If the price moves significantly beyond the envelope, it could signal an overbought or oversold condition, indicating a possible reversal. Boost your trading. Success with my expert signal service. I provide 5 to 10 daily trading signals to help you make profitable trades. Simply subscribe to my YouTube channel for market analysis and join my Telegram channel to receive real-time signals. Check my track record to see my successful trades. By following my signals, you can increase your profits and achieve financial goals. No experience needed, my expert guidance helps you trade with confidence. Thank you for watching. Join me in the next video for more trading insights. Must subscribe my YouTube channel and Telegram.